Welcome back to another exciting video from ExamPadi. Today, we'll be learning about the weather and I'll be your Padi for today's video. Come along with me. What is the weather like for you right now? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? Is it windy or snowy? We're all familiar with these words, but what exactly does weather mean? Weather is the state of the atmosphere around you at any given time or hour. There are different states of weather, which include rainy, sunny, windy, cloudy, hot, cold, dry, foggy, and frosty. There are factors which lead to the type of weather available, and these include the atmospheric pressure, humidity, level of sun, wind, and rain, hotness, dryness, and level of cold. Weather forecasters and meteorologists use various symbols to pass across the weather to you and me, and these symbols help you identify the weather easily. Some of the weather symbols are sun, rain, snow, storm, cloud, fog, and lightning. Based on the type of weather, there are various equipment available which are now used to measure the intensity of the weather. Thermometers are used in measuring temperatures, and they can be collected in Celsius, Kelvin, or Fahrenheit. Anemometers are wind devices for measuring the speed of wind, and they are calculated in kilometers per hour. Barometers measure pressure, and they are calculated in bars or atmosphere. Rain gauges are used to measure the approximate amount of rainfall, and they are measured in millimeters. Wind vanes measure the direction of the wind, but they have no specific measurements. The fun fact about weather is one can tell the current temperature based on the number of chirps of the crickets. Very fascinating. Thank you so much for watching up to this point to learn about weather. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to ExamPadi for more interesting videos. Goodbye.